Hello friends, this is Thaneru Hemant Kumar from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I'm 6th M and today's subject is web development and its application. In this, we are going to discuss about introduction to HTML and structure of HTML. The basic contents of HTML is basic syntax, HTML document structure, text formatting, images, lists, links, tables, forms, and frames. In the introduction to HTML, first of all, the founder of the HTML language was Tim Berners-Lee. He invented HTML language in the year 1993. And in the introduction of the HTML is HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page, and the HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content, and the HTML is an acronym which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used for creating web pages and web applications. Let's see what is meant by hypertext markup language and web page. Hypertext. Hypertext simply means text within text. A text has a link within it is a hypertext. However, you click on a link which brings you to a new web page, you have clicked on a hypertext. Hypertext is a way to link two or more web pages with each other. Markup language. A markup language is a computer language that is used to apply layout and formatting conventions to a text document. Markup language makes text more interactive and dynamic. It can turn text into images, tables, links, etc. Web page. A web page is a document which is commonly written in HTML and translated by a web browser. A web page can be identified by entering an URL, or a web page can be of the static or dynamic type with the help of HTML only. We can create static web pages. These are the 5 introductions of the HTML. I'm going to standard HTML document structure. In the standard HTML document structure, every XHTML document must begin with an XML declaration element. That simplify identifies the document as being one based on XML. The XML declaration the XML declaration usually indicates a second attributes encoding which specifies the encoding used for the document. Following is the XML declaration element, which should be the first line of every HTML document. And we are going to write the following command states that the document in which it is included compiles with the XHTML doc type HTML. It means tells version of HTML. An XHTML document must include the 4 tags HTML, head, title, and body. HTML means root element, head used to contain page HTML metadata, title page title slash title of HTML page, and body whole content of HTML. So XHTML document always have an HTML tag immediately following the doctype command, and they always end with the closing HTML tag /HTML. An XHTML document consists of two parts named the header and the body. The header element contains the head part of the document, which provide information about the document and does not provide the content of the document. The body of the document provides the content of the document. And like the structure of the HTML. Here this is the simple program to understand the structure of the HTML. Doc type HTML, file name and document purpose, HTML head, title, a title for the document, head, body, welcome to web programming lab, body, HTML. State basic text markup is paragraph. It begins with P and ends with /P. It consists of H2 heading content H2 HTML heading tag and the P paragraph content P/P HTML paragraph tag and the multiple paragraphs may appear in a single document. Example P. Mary had a little lamb, its flesh was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. /P. And the next slides of the heading. In XHTML, there are 6 levels of headings specified by the tags H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, where H1 specifies the highest level heading. Headings are usually displayed in a boldface font whose default size depends on the number in the heading tag. On most browsers, H1, H2 and H3 use font size that are larger than that of the default size of text. H4 uses the default size and H5 and H6 use smaller sizes. The heading tags always break the current line, so their content always appears on the new line. The HTML element is the root element of the HTML page, and the head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, and the body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraph, image, hyperlinks, tables, list. The H1 element defines a larger heading and the paragraph P element defines a paragraph. Okay friends, hope you like this session. Thank you.